Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a special announcement.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
So I'll get straight to it with the special announcement. The special announcement, drum roll, is that I'll be dropping a song a day before Women's Day for Women's Day.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
You can use the song on your pictures, pictures of your siblings, your mothers, your grannies. It's a really nice song. You can just listen to it. It's a really nice song. I promise you, you're going to love it. And follow me on Instagram. After you're done, you can DM me done and I'll go follow you back. You can follow my page on Facebook at kateshirinda, everywhere on all social media platforms. Kateshirinda, yes. So I'm really hoping you guys have been so supportive. I'll be communicating with you via my pages. You can just follow me and then you'll get all the information that you need to. Yeah, so, another thing, the song will be available for free download, so you can download it for free on free websites.
Yay!
Yeah, so thank you guys for your time. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey, don't forget to